Now this is our first home, and good thing we're not yet.
So many holes.
Wait, I'm gonna be careful. Maybe a lot of no. Mind if I get this flora made? No, not yet. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hit it, man.
Oh, what do you want? Stone floor?
Yep.
Okay.
Stone edge thing. Gonna make a slab. So we're gonna make a mold farm. There's a ship staring at me. No, done it wrong.
Guys, I'm sorry if I'm not talking because I'm blank. I'm thinking of something weird.
Don't tell me it's gonna lure a purple in.
No.
Don't need to try that.
Now, we just need to get ourselves. Here we go. There, and there.
Faster.
Yeah, and
Zombies
there.
are coming.
They don't know here.
There's a big hole over here.
Excuse me. Yeah, let's put this up. One there,
Wait
there.
a minute. Is there another cave?
I don't know.
There's another. I think this one.
Excuse me.
There's a shadow.
Oh, can you?
Made it wrong? Where's my pickaxe? But I can punch it.
No. I'll be the one to do it. Since you don't have pickaxe.
There we go.
We need more stone. They have stone there.
Look at this mirror.
They have stone.
Look, I don't have any stone. Look at mine.
Don't have any
7
stone.
sticks. Do you mind if you give me a wooden pickaxe?
Wait a minute. I just can make it work.
Don't make all.
Not all. I'm just gonna light this up, and yeah, we are getting some stones here. You should get some wood.
I'm scared.
I think there's.
It's gonna be daytime.
Yeah, I know. And I'm nearly dead because I'm very, very hungry.
Don't worry. We're gonna be 1/2 hour. I heard something.
Maybe we should make this like that. And let's punch that one, and there you go. Oops, made that wrong. Punch this again. Punch this. And there you go.
Scared of dying again.
No, you're not gonna die. Now we just need to make ourselves a furnace. And here.
Guys, I'm gonna try to not cook anymore.